Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Milwaukee, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to focus on two parts of a deck that do a lot of work, but do not always get enough attention at the start: railings and stairs. They are major safety features, and they also change how your deck looks and feels every day. Let's talk railings first. On any elevated deck, railings are there to keep people safe at the edges. Local codes define minimum heights and maximum spacing between balusters. These rules are not just red tape. They are based on real safety needs, especially for kids and older adults. When you are planning a deck, it is smart to talk about railing style and layout early, not wait until the end. Railings come in many materials. You might choose wood to match a traditional deck, metal for a slimmer profile, or a system that coordinates with composite decking. Many homeowners like low-maintenance railing systems that do not need painting or staining. Composite railing systems from manufacturers such as TimberTech are built to work with their decking, providing consistent color and a clean, durable finish that stands up to weather and everyday use. Now let's look at stairs. Stairs control how you move between the deck, the yard, and any patios or walkways. The number of steps, the width of the stair run, and the location of landings all affect how safe and comfortable those trips feel. Treads that are too narrow, or a stair that turns sharply in the wrong place, can make carrying food, furniture, or kids up and down more difficult than it needs to be. Lighting and handrails are also part of the picture. A well-placed handrail and simple stair lighting can make a big difference at night or in bad weather. When your builder plans the deck, they should be thinking about where people will walk, where lights should go, and how to make those routes as safe as possible. As a homeowner, your job is not to memorize code rules. Your job is to ask good questions and pay attention to the layout. Does the railing design feel sturdy and easy to grip? Are the stairs wide enough and placed where people naturally want to walk? Does the plan take kids, guests, and older family members into account? If you want help reviewing railing and stair options for your new or existing deck, you can reach our team at 608-292-5514 or visit www.toughdeckbuildersmilwaukee.com for more information. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Milwaukee. In our next episode, we will help you choose between a screen porch, a sunroom, or an open deck for your home.